International comparisons of crime are difficult to do, even in the case of homicide, because different countries use different rules and different definitions when they count homicide. Some countries, for instance, include attempted murders in their homicide data. Some countries do not include infanticide as homicide, and other definitions of homicide vary dramatically across country concerning whether or not self-defense killings count or not. So it's really dubious, questionable to make comparisons across countries in terms of homicide rates. Even when we do that, however, what we find is typically the United States has one of the highest homicide rates of all industrialized Western countries, and European countries are relatively low in terms of their homicides. Some of the dominant explanations for why the U.S. has a high homicide rate compared to other Western democracies include the fact of our culture of violence, that our historical legacy of violence in this country, that every major event in American history is associated with violence, from the Revolutionary War to the expansion of the Western frontier to the civil rights movement in this country. All have been associated with violence. And the second major factor linked to our high homicide rate includes the availability of guns in the society.